To start or stop UPnP device host service in Windows 10 Home, right-click on Start menu icon, and then click or tap Computer Management. Next, click or tap Services and Applications drop-down menu. Select Services, and then scroll down Services screen. Find UPnP device service. And then right-click on UPnP device host. To start, select Start, or to stop, select Stop. Allow UPnP devices to be hosted on this computer. If the service is stopped, any hosted UPnP devices will stop functioning, and no additional hosted devices can be added. If the service is disabled, any services that explicitly depend on it will fail to start. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.